Hello everyone, Sony here from Organizing Baco. Welcome to my last part of my three-part series, beginning with the first one was my pantry, the second one was my garage, and my last one is of my laundry room. So I wanted to just show you how I organize these spaces and what I did to them, and let's get started. As you can see, this is my laundry room and I have it divided into different sections. That hamper is divided into 3 different areas for my colors and my darks. And this is another section where I do have other hampers and they're mostly for sheets and towels. And those are my hangers where I do put my clothes, where I hang them up there and then I steam them with my steamer. And here you can see that I have my laundry detergent and just different things that I use to do my clothes. So this is the final video of my 3-part series, and if you didn't watch them, please watch them. The first video was on my pantry, the second one was on my garage, and then the third one and final one was of my laundry room. So I want to tell you that I will be accepting new clients. So if you want to work with me, I will be accepting new clients from this Monday coming up, August 20th, up to August 31st, which is a Friday. So you have 2 weeks to do that, and then I will be working with you in the sessions from August 20th up to December 14th. So please sign up on my website or Google me on Google search Organizing Baco to work with me. I hope you enjoyed this and thank you.